The extrasolar planet known as Gliese 667cc was discovered November 21, 2011 by astronomers combing through data from the European Southern Observatory's telescope in Chile. Gliese 667cc has been declared the most Earth-like object known outside of our solar system and is orbited by Gliese 667c, which is part of a triple star system.
Gliese 667c is estimated to have a mass around 4 to 5 times larger than that of Earth. Its radius is unknown, but with an Earth-like composition, it could be around 1.6 times larger than Earth. This planet has a solar radius of 0.42. One solar radius is approximately 695,700 kilometers. Therefore, Gliese 667c has a radius of 6,096 miles. It is heavier than Earth, with a minimum mass of about 3.7 Earth masses. So its mass is about 2.20,964 times 10 to the 25th power kilograms.
We use the formula gm/r² in order to find the gravitational acceleration on our planet. Our answer was 15.3 meters per second squared, and compared to Earth's acceleration has a difference of 5.5 meters per second squared. To find out how fast a satellite would have to travel in order to orbit our planet, we used the formula v equals square root of gm/r and got the answer 1.44 times 10 to the 8th meters per second. To find out how far away our planet is from its start, we used the formula t squared equals 4 pi r cubed over gm and got the answer 2.43 times 10 to the 10 meters. In order to find out how fast our planet is orbiting our star, we used the formula v equals square root of gm/r and got the answer 9.88 times 10 to the 12 meters per second.
Gliese 667cc revolves around its host star at a distance of 11.5 million miles and takes 2,419,200 seconds to make one complete orbit. In comparison, it orbits only 8 times closer to its host star than Earth orbits the Sun. 1 year on this planet is thus only 28 Earth days long, making it possible to celebrate your 1000th birthday, which is just 77 years on Earth.
The planet orbits a red dwarf star named Gliese 667c, orbited by a total of 2 planets. Its mass is 31% of the Sun's, which is 6.166 times 10 to the 29th power kilograms, and it has a radius of 292,200 kilometers. Its constellation is Scorpius. It has a temperature of 3,700 K and its estimated age is greater than 2 billion years old. This star is radiating only 1.4% of the Sun's luminosity from its outer atmosphere.
Gliese receives a radiation flux which is about 90% of what we receive from our Sun on Earth. Although most of this radiation is emitted in the infrared, it is most likely enough to allow for liquid water on the planetary surface. The planet also has a good chance of being rocky, like Earth, its discoverers say.
Although Gliese 667c is located in a habitable zone, the conditions on the planet could be very different from our Earth. Life would be facing some potential challenges, which may include low and varying light conditions, possibly a higher atmospheric pressure, and violent flares.